Unboxing video of the titanium easy flush.
Whoa! Watch your depth of cut there, pal.
I don't know, I was actually pretty impressed with the precision.
The manual is cut in half.
Didn't even go through the manual.
Well done, sir. Well done. Golf clap.
Manual is intact.
You can turn that off.
Evidence whatsoever.
That's impressive.
Come on.
That's
Given the fact that that's probably like the 4th time I've ever used
an angle grinder.
an angle grinder. Although I like to call them angle hoagies because, you know, I'm from Western Mass. Why am I unboxing your new welder?
Because you wanted to.
It's very green.
It wasn't the bottom of the line, but it was the second bottom of the line one.
That's exactly where you buy when you're buying a tool like this. You don't buy the bottom of the line because it's gonna. It smells like a new pair of shoes.
Totally does. Oh my god. Yes, like a new pair of like Nike high tops or something.
It literally smells like a new pair of shoes. Look at the cute little
ground cable. That's definitely staying in this video.
Feed?
Yes.
I don't know how these work.
Neither do I. I have no idea. I just bought it.
Should we figure out how it works?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah.
Are you going to weld before I do on it? Probably.
But you knew that was going to happen when you bought it, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Let's do, here, look. We're going to do, this is mild steel. It's galvanized, right? We're going to weld something like that together.
That's what you want to weld?
That's the idea. I mean, this is
weld number 1.
literally the first time either one of us have ever done anything even remotely like this, right?
Yep.
So,
this should be interesting because I only have a welding helmet.
yeah, but you can close your eyes and record
Yeah.
while I weld, right?
Yeah. So just FYI, if you look up here, the fire extinguisher sign points down to there. So right there.
Right here where this hose is?
No, below that.
Oh,
The little.
it's so sad.
I don't keep it on all the time. Anyways,
That's
so it's
where
it's right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So there's that. So welding helmet over
You
here.
want to turn it on? I mean, should we plug it in?
Before we do we should read the directions possibly.
There's literally, seriously, there's 2 dials.
Yes, but we have to load the spool in there somehow. We have to figure out how the auto feed works.
Okay.
So we got to figure that out. So
Okay.
give us a minute. We're going to figure that out.
Oh, look, that's trash.
Sweet. Oh, let me guess. The spool goes around there and it gets fed in through there.
Where's the
That's
spool?
it's probably in that box right there.
I'm guessing it wants to go in this way.
I would say so, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's like a 3D printer. You want it to go in the way. I will hold that.
Hold that, will you? There's this concept amongst welders, not welders the people, but welders the machines, that talk about the duty cycle. The duty cycle. The rated duty cycle for this particular welder is 3 minutes.
So we have to wait like an hour after using
No.
the
You can rest for 7 after that. You can weld for 3 minutes, and then you must rest for 7. So 3 out of every 10 minutes can be spent welding. That's cold feed switch. Okay.
Power, alarm, wire,
Take off nozzle
voltage.
and tip. We're actually back in business here. Look, yeah. So,
There's a groove there that it wasn't riding in.
yep.
In the auto feed. Those are Ryan's fingers.
Mother,
That's that thing again.
what the shit?
Like it's,
Seriously, I mean,
I know, it's like I bought a cheap welder at Harbor Freight.
what the Harbor Freightness? No, it's all good, bro. At least it's an auto feed, right?
That's the only reason I would have bought a welder is if it was an auto feed, because
With
I don't
the,
think it, right here.
Oh.
I don't think I can trust myself for stick welding.
I can feel something happening. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Oh, there we go. Stop.
Oh. Okay.
And now you have to put the nipple back on.
It's not called a nipple.
Feed tube.
I prefer nipple. Feed tube.
That's what it is.
It's not a feed tube. All right, ready?
What is it then, Ryan?
I don't know.
Is it feed tube?
A,
Feed tube?
no, it's called a tip.
Feed.
It's called a contact tip. Which is way better. Contact tip. Way better. Okay.
I think you have to turn the volume up or something.
Wait, hold on. Stop a second. I think this is the right time we reference the manual. Because this has A through J as far as temperatures. Hold on. No. This thing has A through J as far as... So, you look at the chart,
Okay, so the
and you tell me what we're doing.
I don't know.
We're welding that thing.
Yeah, what is that? That is.
Galvanized steel.
Yeah, it's
mild
not-
steel.
Yeah, but it's. How thick is it? How many mils?
I don't know.
Millimeters. 1.2? That's about 1.2 millimeters, right?
I'd go with that.
That's a little thin
That's
one.
not two. That's
Wire
not 2
speed
millimeter.
is 3.5.
So move wire speed to 3.5.
Yep.
There we go.
Voltage is B.5-C. Oh, like B and a half to C. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, from B.5 to C.
Okay.
This is the titanium Easy Flex 125. Neither
And-
one of us have ever.
Welded.
Oh, look, this one's still got it's still got the plastic zip tie on it. Neither one of us have welded anything before. Although
I've held one in my hand and I've touched it to metal before. It didn't do anything.
I watched TV
All right.
shows where.
Do you
people
want the
weld
welding
things.
helmet now?
No, I have to attach the things.
You can also unbox the welding helmet.
Yeah, but not with that.
Oh, look! It's a welding helmet. Auto darkening.
Ooh, dude, it's got some fancy electronics up in that piece.
Thank you, Jeff, for doing all the editing. You're awesome. Thank you, Jeff. You're welcome.
Oh.
I don't know. You're gonna try. You totally did. Ready? Any difference?
No. Oh, actually, you know what? Yeah. No, it actually does. No, that hurts though. I don't like it when you do that.
When I hit you in the head?
No, it actually works. It does. It like darkens.
There's also, I think, a film on the outside.
Will you take the film?
Hello, Spaceman Spiff. I am Tim.
Remove the film.
Stop moving. Sorry, just clearing my throat. Here we go. Now let me try the trick. Ready? There's that.
It still hurts. I don't like it when you do that.
Well,
This is called welding with no prior experience. Ready?
all right. Closing eyes.
Oh! That actually did something.
I can't see. Are sparks flying towards me or anything? Are they? They're flying towards you.
Oh yeah.
Can I open my eyes?
Nope, not yet.
All right.
Hold on.
Am I in danger of getting sparks?
No.
Okay.
Ooh.
Stop for a second. Do not do anything, please.
We need to... And by the way, folks, here's a word of advice. Do not weld in Crocs. Okay, ready?
All right. But I'm okay, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna close
Close the eyes.
eyes.
Yep. Close. Remember, folks, Crocs and Birkenstocks are not welding shoes. Please be careful. Onto sawdust and rugs and upholstery.
All right, you can look.
That is ugly as hell.
Literally the worst weld ever. But
Is it held together? It looks like it.
I mean,
The two pieces of metal are joined somehow.
ish. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna put
So-
different shoes on.
Yeah, you will want.
I'll be right back.
I think we're ready for some welding. At least you've got the proper footwear for this. You look. The welding gloves. You ever seen the show Among Us, or that thing Among Us? Not the show. That thing
Game?
Among Us. Yeah, yeah. That's
I'm the imposter.
no. You're sus though. Okay. Here's the thing. As soon as you press the trigger.
It's gonna scare the shit out of me.
No, it's not going to scare the out of you. The thing is, as soon as you press the trigger, what essentially happens is that wire starts coming out of the front.
Yep.
And the point of the welding happens right at the tip
Yep.
of the wire. So if the point of the tip of the wire is like out here,
It's not gonna weld well.
well, you're going to be welding out there.
Yeah.
So the idea is to
Keep it
weld,
as close
keep
to
it as
that as
close to
possible.
that as possible,
Without gunking it up.
but consume all the wire,
Yep.
right? So I've got it set to the lowest
All right.
setting. And let's just see how.
Is it on?
Ready? No. Ready?
on, yeah.
So the other thing I'll tell you,
It's hot in here. Come on.
the other thing I'll tell you, is when you're welding, there's no view. Stop, and you're like, oh, now I can see again. Then you start to weld again.
Uh-huh.
And you're like, stop. Then you're like, oh, I can see again. So
Okay.
pause to
All
be
right.
able to get your bearings.
Pause.
Ready?
Every time.
Okay, hold on.
Are we good?
Oh no, not yet. Hold on. Tell me when you're ready to go. I gotta.
I have no idea. I just touch it to it, right?
Yeah, but you gotta push the button. Ready?
All right. Whew. It's like the moon landing.
No, but hey,
We have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we do. We've got.
Just like.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh, wait. Now he's getting cocky. I was gonna light my shop on fire. Hot sparks, FYI. So that is our final other weld, as you can see.
It's Schneider.
It's
crap.
it's metal.
It's solid.
It's solid. It's
Here,
not
look,
going
ready?
anywhere. Like, it's mining for steel at the moment. But hey,
It is. Those two pieces are definitely connected.
yep. And so this is our first experience with a welder.
We
so
did it. We
hopefully
welded-
more to come.
We welded one piece of metal to itself. Is what we did. Look. See?
For absolutely no reason at all.
Well, just
Well, try it.
yeah, because. So those
Yeah.
are. I mean, with a little bit of.
I mean, I
grinding.
wouldn't trust my life on it, but yeah,
That's a.
it'll hold.
Look.
It'll hold.
That's not a.
It'll hold. So yeah, so this is our first. Hold on. The new Janky Workshop's first foray into welding. Obviously, we have a lot to learn.
Yeah, we suck.
we suck, but it was fun. And so it's hot. It's very hot too. So
No, it's hot here.
yes,
Right
but
now.
like it also heats it up in here because we're using a welder and melting steel, that kind of thing.
I wasn't referencing that.
Anyways,
hot.
all right, it's just hot. Okay. I asked you if you want to turn on a fan. Anyways, thank you for watching. There's gonna be more
Subscribe.
bell
like,
thingy
subscribe.
stuff, whatever. Click things. Buy
Click
stuff
it.
from us.
Click it.
And Jesus, you're sweaty.
Click it.
Thank you for watching, and expect more, hopefully less janky welding videos from us in the future.